But how do we incentivize those people, and do we really need blockchain for that?
Well, that's a good question, because do we really need the level of complexity in answering this question? I would like to say that obviously it has to be a co-measurement with the complexity of the business, but at the same time we need to think of the scalability. That's number one, and we need to think in the terms and the reference model of the ecosystem. Because the synthetic equity is actually going to be your baseline for all the other value-add solutions that might come on top of that platform. And most importantly, one thing that is also important to highlight is that this will introduce the ability to securitize your tokens at some point. So what I'm trying to say here, as you go through the vesting period, so let's say after the period of 3 to 4 years, there is a pool of rewards that is due for the cash payment. You might decide as an organization to actually offer security tokens to your stakeholders in order to create another level of retention where they become the shareholders. So that might be the natural progression as the organization is outperforming its targets. That's number one. Number two is global scalability. So due to the myriad of different tax or legal regulations, you might not be able to offer stock options to foreign nationals. With the synthetic equity, you can actually go international, you can go global. So even if you're an organization in the UAE, you might engage a development team in Vietnam or, for that matter, in Australia and offer them synthetic equity. That is one benefit. And one thing that I would also like to highlight when it comes to the choice of technology is that this technology is here to stay. That's number one. Number two, familiarizing your organization with advanced technologies is going to present you with a myriad of other opportunities to create value-add solutions. So what I'm trying to say here, as Talib just recognized now, so once you solve a set of the problems when it comes to retention, incentivizing people, driving the performance, I'm pretty sure you're going to run into another set of the problems that will require your attention. So that's where this holistic approach when it comes to dealing with problems comes in quite handy. So that's pretty much what stands behind our choice of technology and belief that the blockchain is the way forward.